everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today we'll be discussing how you can change the wallpaper of your iPhone. What you need to do is there are two methods where you can change your wallpaper. The first one is just go to your photos and select any of your photo into wallpaper, and you can adjust it according to your needs. Another way, you just go to the settings and the wallpaper option, and you can adjust or select the wallpaper by yourself. So I'll do the first one and then I'll do the second one. So let's go to the photo section, and let's suppose we are selecting this photo, and as you see that there is an option on the bottom left corner. You just need to tap on it and just swipe up. As you can see that there is an option use as a wallpaper. You just need to tap on it and it will show you the option where you can adjust the photo. Okay, just like this. If you put your two fingers closer, it will zoom out the photo, and if you do this, it will increase the zoom in. So that's how that's the first method. You can adjust any of the photo into your wallpaper. Another method that we have here, you just need to go to your settings, and under the settings you just need to swipe up and you need to find out the wallpaper section. Just tap on the wallpaper section, and as you see that there are all the wallpapers which you can select if you have previously selected any, or if you want to add a new wallpaper, just tap on it, and here are some suggestions from the iPhone which it has dropped or selected from your images. Here are the default wallpaper options which you can adjust accordingly. For example, I adjust this, just tap on it and allow once, and I think that's a cool wallpaper. Just type this button add and it will automatically add into our wallpaper section. Now I will show you if I reset the phone, just like this. Okay, so here comes our wallpaper. So it looks nice, and that's how you can actually change the wallpaper on your iPhone. I hope this video helping out in adjusting your wallpaper. If you still have any question, you can just leave a comment and I'll try to answer you in upcoming videos. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like this video and it helping out in restoring your wallpapers. Bye bye.